Oh, Jennifer, I'm going to ask you to do the graduates here.
I will do the graduates, yes.
So
Alicia can do the golf claps in the background.
We're going to find out who's new on the webinar here in another survey poll. But if this is your first time, what we like to do is celebrate the people that have taken CCO education and have acknowledged that we help them. So we just want to return that back to them and say, hey, these guys did great, and they let us know. So if your name isn't on here and you've used our education to help you pass or get a certification or excel in any way in your job, let us know by going to the site, and you can fill out our topic request there and let us know.
Yep, so we have a couple different products here that we're going through. So the CPMA, we're looking at the auditing. Recent auditors are Amrita Banerjee and Barbara Manasco, sorry. They use the CPMA Blitz. And then we have some CRCs, which is a really great new field, Alicia's favorite. That's our risk adjustment coding. Kelley Ruffner, Abdul, Rahim, and Kimoy. They've all recently passed with the CRC, which is great. That's a great accomplishment to do the CRC exam.
Awesome. And next one.
We have Alia Kogan, who passed her CPC, which is great, and Angelica Navarro is a COC, so pass that exam.
Great.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't check. Hopefully, we have audio. Everybody's cool. I didn't check my
I didn't even pull up my chat.
Yeah, exactly. I assume that they'll be fine. Okay.
Do you need more medical certification and business training? Learn more at www.cco.us.